Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. The baby mama and ex-girlfriend of Themba from Big Brother Mzansi took to her Insta Live to express how she feels that Themba has hooked up with Big Brother winner Mphowabadimo and are allegedly dating, you guys. Now, please check out this video and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll definitely see you on my next upload. Here's the video.
That was given the platform to be a cloud chaser. So come correct, come with facts. Ungezilana with misconceptions and conspiracies. Did you even watch the show? Cloud chase. Why are you tagging It's none of your business. I tagged her because I wanted to tag her. Kill me. I was angry. So why am I tagging Instagram yam? Action Instagram yakho. So I was asked to take down the post because now I'm not allowed to say whatever I want to say. Hi, boo. I didn't get it. Yeah, Themba said that we are not dating. Did I say that we're dating? Ma'am, I got to go confusion. So, I have a God. I pray I pray to God Almighty. So, man and God, if we're not so thick, on behalf of God, because I tagged them because of my reasons. So now why are you okay? Never mind. Anyways, besides that, and rather than because of everything and everyone else, after this, because I believe in God and God has. We are not going to decide at the end of the day which one's agalani. No man got in. I'm gonna pray to God right now after this because, people will drag you. People will drag you for breathing. So, and then I'm gonna go about my life. And this is about happy, this is about right, this is about papa. Yeah, and we're just gonna be lovely. You're getting out of hand, Madali. Why we love yam? Oh, Puma, get out. I said, Dingila, the negativity, I could Puma. If I appreciate what Tini, please get out. So he was still trying to get back with me, but I couldn't because of the trauma and the things that I went through in the relationship. But honestly, I did want to go back. But when we're in this band, But ever since I got Big Brother and wow, Chris Brown, that's kind of a jealous. But I didn't mean to. Anyways, when you see him, please tell him that I love him and that block Instagram, don't block WhatsApp, don't block. But in the moment tonight, that's what I'm saying. People should stop dragging me because, guys, I'm just out here trying to do my best. I'm just trying to make money, So only you know drag. Anyways, if Nimbona, please tell him that I love him. That I come to some challenge. I'm better off without him. He also writes. But anyways, we're two together. So yeah, guys, sharp. The thing is, this thing, block button, it's very addictive. You block, you unblock, you block, you unblock. I feel like I'm going back again to what it was when we were still together. Okay, I love you guys. take care. And wow, ndagoa. Nibatshele futhi even my enemies nibatshele bahamba uthenga Verve Rich. But clink, but celebrate. Two together, so yeah, guys, sharp. Give unblock. Actually, unblock access. The thing is, this thing, block button, it's very addictive. You block, you unblock, you block, you unblock. I feel like I'm going back again to what it was when we were still together. Okay, I love you guys. Take care. And wow, ndagoa. Nibatshele futhi even my enemies nibatshele bahamba uthenga Verve Rich. But clink, but celebration because yes, ndiyagoa. Good night, guys. Ngisawuthandaza and please wish me the best in life, okay? Since in life ayikho easy and life is not about ubomi. Isikhaqa sendaba. I need a therapist. But anyways, yeah, I'll get a therapist. Yes, sir. He said he's not dating Mpho. Twitter is the place to be at 8. And it's going to be that's it, because the thing is, the things that happened, bezenzeka, and it's fine because he wasn't famous. Now he's famous. Can you imagine? Manya saying what I'm happy for him. And he has moved on a public platform. Fethu. Sengibale manje ngipretendeke mina manje ukuthi ngihappy ke mina. Ngihamba nengane zakhe eziwu2, uhamba nomugel fethu onefika engaka. Iwe izinqane ngaka ama hips fethu. Sengibale ngipretende ukuthi ngihappy. Awu manje ngamncane.